next dance is a compilation of short verses to Ganesh, Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Shiva. Maya, Sundari, Karuna, and Narada will be performing. This piece begins with a prayer to Ganesh, who rides a mouse and holds sweets in his hand. He has big elephant ears and has a small body. He is Shiva's son and destroys our worries. To him we bow. Then a prayer to Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. She plays a veena, and we bow and offer flowers to her. She is exquisitely beautiful, and those learning to write and read pray for her blessings upon them always. Next is Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity. She appeared from the milky waters of the heavens, holding a lotus in each hand. She is the goddess of Vishnu, who holds a conch shell, disc, lotus, and club in his 4 hands. Lastly is a prayer to Shiva, the god of dance. His body covers the planets in the sky. His words were spoken for all people. His necklace and earrings are the moon and stars in the sky, and he is pure goodness. And it was choreographed especially for this class by Gaurangi Priya. It is about Ganesh. It describes how he has one tusk and he is the son of Uma Devi. He rides on a mouse and holds a sweet in his hand. He has big elephant ears. He was the scribe for the Vedas and is Shiva's son. He takes away all worries, and he is the great God Ganesh.
एकदन्तं उमासुतं